Hey everyone, here's a real quick video just showing you how you can on Seesaw use some of the tools we'll need in order to answer some questions. So here's an example of a little bit of text up here that I may get you guys to read. As you're reading through it, you may want to highlight certain things, and you can do that by clicking on one of the icons here, and you can add different colors. But then again, I guess I picked the wrong thing here. That's not the highlighter. That's the highlighter. So there we go. We can highlight nicely. Oh, that's a keyword because I see that word being used right here. Okay. So I'd love to see examples of that. But one of the things I ask you to do is answer questions. So sometimes I'm going to ask you to answer a question. On the page, when you do that, you just click on that T. That's right. Oh, and I went to sleep. So you click on this T right there. You can make it the size of the space, and you can type in your answer. Bio means, and then you can type in your answer. And if you need a little bit more room, it'll shrink down the size and all that stuff. If you need to circle something, you can take your pencil and get a color of your choice, and you can circle things. So in this question, circle which of the following would be biodegradable. So if you thought a plastic cup is, and I'm not saying it is, I'm just saying that as an example, you can use your mouse and make a nice little circle right there. Better than circling the whole thing, which could look a little messy. Anyways, that's all the types of things that we're really going to be using. If you need to erase something, you could just grab the eraser and erase whatever you don't want on there. Once you have it done, you're going to hit the little check mark up there, and it'll ask you one more time if you like it or not. Easy peasy. Good luck with the assignment, and if you have any questions, just message me on Edsby, and I can always create more of these videos to help you out.